ambulance flashing bright, helping people day and night. B is for bicycle, pedal away, riding around on a sunny day. C is for car, beep, 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 driving down the busy street. D is for dump truck, big and strong, carrying heavy loads along. E is for electric scooter, smooth and light, zooming softly out of sight. F is for fire truck, red and loud, saving the day and making us proud. G is for garbage truck, early rise, keeping our city clean and nice. H is for helicopter, up in the sky, whirly blades flying high. I is for ice cream truck, music sweet, bringing frozen summer treats. J is for Jeep, rugged and tough, climbing hills when roads are rough. K is for kayak, paddle away, gliding on water all through the day. L is for limousine, shiny and long, luxury ride, rolling strong. M is for motorcycle, vroom so fast, speeding by in a blur so fast. N is for navy ship, big and wide, sailing strong on ocean tide. O is for off-road truck, mud and fun, bumpy adventures never done. P is for police car, siren loud, keeping our neighborhood safe and proud. Q is for quad bike, four wheels tight, riding through dirt with pure delight. R is for race car, lightning speed, zooming fast in the lead. S is for school bus, yellow and bright, taking kids to school just right. T is for tractor, strong on the farm, helping fields grow big and warm. U is for unisorda, one wheel spin, balancing skill to win. V is for van, roomy inside, family trips and comfy ride. W is for wagon, pull it along, rolling wheels steady and strong. X is for express train, fast on the track, clickety clack and never look back. Y is for yacht, sailing with grace, floating smoothly in open space. Z is for zeppelin, giant in air, drifting gently